Alright, Jess, where are we dropping? Let's terrorize this base, shall we?
Let's add up on turrets, shall we? Let's go for 10 turrets. Alright, let's make it more interesting. Let's get some actual disasters to happen. Alright, let's make it more interesting. Let's get some actual disasters to happen.
Consular Gaming, let's go!
Alright, it's even, but I'm gonna increase that risk. You ready for me to kill game modes? Alright then, let's go for it. Let's go for this one. Hey, watch your break, bro. Hey, watch your break, bro. Alright, let's make it more interesting. Let's get some actual disasters to happen. You ready for me to kill game modes? Alright then, let's go for it. Let's go for this one.
And that is how I create chaos. Now, time to roll on the servers.